So hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Small Change with Shay. So guys, I really wanted an olive tree for fall season, and I wanted a really tall tree, which I know I couldn't afford. To be honest with you, I wanted 7-8 feet tall tree. So I decided to create my own using a thrifted tree that I got from my Salvation Army for $7. Now with it, it came down here with a lot of leaves at the bottom, which I do have to take out, but I cut most of them off, you know, but this is pretty tall and I love it. And what I did, or what I'm going to do, well, I started it, but what I'm going to continue to do, I purchased some olives from Amazon. So, you know, you can find every and anything off of Amazon. And I purchased some olives off of Amazon. I think 2 packets. No, I got 1 packet of 50 for $9.99. And I'm going to attach them to this tree using my glue stick. So I wanted to do this with the tree and also some branches that I have. So instead of going out or purchasing a brand new tree for like over $60 or more, over $60, I decided to create my own using a thrifted tree that I got off of from my Salvation Army. Sorry if I said Goodwill, but my Salvation Army for $7. And some branches that I've had for a while now that I'm also going to add some olives to that. So I am going to show you how I'm doing that in a few minutes. Very simple, very easy, but I created my own and I think it will look great. I started some of it already. I just wanted to make sure it would stick to the tree, and it stays very well with the glue stick. And I also purchased this because I wanted to, you know, have something to clean the tree off. It was very dusty, and I wanted to have something to spray on it without having to actually wipe each leaves down. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's my project for this week. But this is the spray, and it kind of makes everything look new, but put something at the bottom because actually it drips a lot. So, but I am going to try. And the best part about the spray, guys, is you don't have to wipe the tree down. You don't have to wipe the leaves off. But it can be very messy, so make sure you have a towel or something at the bottom. Alrighty, guys, thank you. Now y'all, these are the branches, and it's the same technique. You just put some hot glue on the branches and you disperse the olives in different areas. As I said, you don't want to put too much to, you know, because I think then it would look even, you know, wouldn't look as pretty as you want it to look. But I think what I've done so far with this tree looks pretty good. Closer look at the tree itself. I do have to add more, as I mentioned, but you can see just a little bit that I've added have made such a big difference. I also do have to spray the leaves and get it cleaned some more, but I think what I've done so far looks pretty okay. So let me guys know what you think of this project. on around, I'm gonna start from this end with my couch, because it's a huge couch that we bought like, what, 5-6 years ago. And I mentioned that I bought it because my husband loved it. It's down feather, it's beautiful, but it's so huge and I don't have an option of how to change it around. You know, I like to change things around so often, and not being able to move this couch is really aggravating at times, but I work with what I have for now. Anyhow, let's start at this end. Now this, I have an end table, and I actually took the lamp off of my end table, mainly because it was kind of a hindrance in my husband's way for his charging and his phone and everything when he needed to charge it. So I took the lamp from there and I put it somewhere else. Anyhow, I have this throw, guys. It is so beautiful. I don't even think my camera is doing it justice. It's like a light burnt orange, and I got this from Amazon. It is just gorgeous. It is just really soft and just, you know, and I love having it there because sometimes my husband uses it or my granddaughter. So I really, really love having this throw right there. My pillow covers, all from Amazon, always from Amazon. I mean, saves me money, saves me time. So I kind of, as I said, use what I had, and I have most of these from like 2 years now. So some of these I have, yeah, 2 years, some of them probably more. So I just recycle them because I don't want to go out and purchase anything that I can't afford to buy. Anyhow, moving up to this painting, guys. I love this painting. I visited my Salvation Army like probably 3 weeks ago, and this painting was there for $12 with 50% off. And I fell in love with this painting because I think it enhances all the 4 colors, and I loved it. I got it, and you know, with the gold frame and everything, and I think it looks beautiful. I'm gonna take you in for a closer look at that. I love painting that kind of shows reality. I don't know why, like houses. I don't like abstract painting too much, but I love painting that shows like homes or buildings or cities, or don't know why, but that's what I like, or rivers or something. I love that. Anyhow, more pillow covers, of course, and I'm gonna show you guys, of course, my faux olive DIY tree that, you know, I purchased the tree for $7, as I mentioned, and I added my own olives to it. So I think it came out great. I don't think this is how the branches or the leaves of an olive tree look, but it works for me, and it saved me a lot of money because these things are pretty expensive. Faux trees are pretty expensive, and paying just like $20 for this instead of, you know, 60, 70 and up dollars. And this tree, I believe it's like 8 feet, 7 or 8 feet. And to get a 7 or 8 feet faux tree, it's like you can go all the way up to $200 or more sometimes. So I love that I was able to get the olives and get this tree for $7. And this vase, you saw that was actually part of my fall haul, and I got that vase from my Ross, I believe, for $8.99, but that was 2 years ago. Now these lamps, guys, I don't know if you saw my Goodwill and Salvation video. Take a look at that, please, if you have not. These lamps actually were $99, and I have the price tag still on the other one, and I'm going to show you. And I purchased these for $5. I got it for $5 from my Goodwill, so I can upcycle. I wanted to get something that matched and, you know, kind of upcycle it. And the majority of you told me to leave it alone, which I'm glad I did, because I might have ruined it. And as someone mentioned, it's $99 for a reason. And these are Pier 1 lamps. So I'm glad I did not change the colors. So thank you to all my viewers and subscribers who suggested that I leave it alone. So yeah, I think it looks great with all the colors incorporated in this living room. And of course, this is like my husband's media cabinet, where he has all his speakers and yada 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 yada, and a lot of wires. So I'm glad I found this media cabinet. on Facebook, on Marketplace. And I waited a while, as I mentioned in my last video, to get a matching set. They were not purchased all together, so I was really blessed to find them the way I did. The coffee table and the 2 end tables were purchased together, and the 2 media cabinets were purchased separately. So the whole, the entire coffee table, end table, media set cost me $45 because one of them was free. So I love that. I love that. And this is just something to enhance my fireplace. I did not want to do a big decor on my fireplace simply because it's fall and I prefer wait for Christmas to do all of that. Now this that you're looking at here, I purchased this from my Dollar General. This pumpkin, just to add a little more, you know, fall colors. And guys, I'll tell you what I don't like. You see this mantle? My husband put the TV so low down on this mantle that I am unable to decorate the mantle. And of course he has his speaker right here. And it really, ooh, something that I did not wipe down. I wipe everything but the speaker. But I dislike intensely, I don't like the word hate, that I am unable to decorate this mantle the way I want to simply because of the TV. Now the size of the TV, as you can see, is huge, it's massive. So I don't have a lot of upper room for the TV to fit. So I guess I have to work around it somehow. Anyhow, yeah, this is the one thing that I don't like about my fireplace mantle. You know how close the TV comes down to that mantle. Anyhow, moving to my lamp, and as I said, I left the original price because it's hard to believe that this is a $99 lamp from Pier 1. So I just left it right there. And this little scarecrow guy I got from my Dollar General. And of course I added some more pumpkins and everything to that side. And get some of these guys. These are so gorgeous. I love these. I got those, of course, I mentioned from my Dollar Tree, and I love them. And I got a few of them because they can decorate every and any room, and I just absolutely love them. Now moving around to this side, I love how this looks, guys. I bought, of course, these floral arrangements from Hobby Lobby. And the best thing about Hobby Lobby, the things that you purchase from them, like the floral arrangement, you can manipulate it so easily. I have purchased stuff off of Amazon, which I love, but most of the florals you cannot manipulate them to create the look that you want, you know. But with Hobby Lobby flowers or florals, you can just create whatever look you want because it's easily manipulated. You can move it, you can, you know, do whatever you want with it, and it works out so great. And I think this looks so beautiful. And this vase I got from my Goodwill like 3 years ago, so I put everything in that vase. And these pillows, these pumpkin patch pillows are from Walmart that I had for a couple of years now. So guys, that's it. That is actually my for living room decor, and I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. I've been having problems with my phone and the colors have gone in. I've tried to change it around. Everything seemed to look a bit more enhanced or brighter than it really is. So I hope you get a really good view of what this looks like and get inspired. And thank you all so very much for stopping by my channel. Thank you to all my subscribers and viewers and my encouragers, because some of you are so encouraging to me and I appreciate you all so much. I hope you stay safe and awesome. Remember, you're awesomely blessed and you matter. You're accepted by the one who matters most. I always say that, and it's so true. You are accepted by the one who matters most, and that's Jesus. Because many times we feel alone and frustrated and lonely, and you know, and remember, we have a God that we can run to who loves us. He loves us, who loves us, who loves us. So hold on to that truth this week as you go about your weekend. God bless each and every one.